Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of homepage on the application of Discord. You will go to settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Discord. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage. After that, in this page you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors on your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by a like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.